Hey Queens, I know it's been a week now, but I finally got my pieces from last week's Coach Outlet drop. So let's get into it. Hey, Andrea, and welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. If you know me, you know that I like what I like, but I'm allergic to full price. If that sounds like you, go ahead and subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you know whenever I upload new videos. But let's get into it before I do this unboxing. And guys, I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to fit these in the frame, but I'm gonna do it one at a time. I got two huge boxes here, and this is really not necessary, but then you'll see why in a minute. So this is the first one, and this is the second one. I can tell by the weight what's in each box. Not sure why they weren't shipped together. I haven't even paid attention to the label, so they may have come from different places. I literally just grabbed these boxes off my porch less than 10 minutes ago. So before we even open these boxes, I wanted to talk a little bit about the drop last week because I think Coach missed the mark. Now, I'm not saying that they didn't release some nice pieces because there were a lot of nice pieces with this drop, but they also gave us stuff that nobody asked for. So my main beef, well, I really got three. The first one is I didn't see any of the signature pieces in the, any of the larger signature pieces in this purple that they have right now. So, I saw a lot of the SLGs, the Nolita and a few other pieces in the signature, but I don't know what made them think it was okay to do this color and not give us a signature Rowan, the regular and the large size, and at least a city tote, even if they didn't want to do the city bucket bag. But to do that and not at least include the Rowan and the city tote, to me was a huge fail on their part, and they probably missed out on a lot of money because I know myself, I probably would have got the tote had they gave it to us in their purple color. The other thing that kind of rubbed me the wrong way with this release is the discrepancy with prices. So there was one piece, and it was the slim crossbody bag. When they dropped it, it was $45 on the website for a minute, and I went back the next day and it was $99. I've watched a few videos since the drop, and a couple of creators have said how they really had a difficult time getting the outlets to price match what was on the website. Another person mentioned, I don't remember who it was, but they actually took a screenshot of what was on the website and took it into the outlet, and they were able to get the price match. But some people were not able to get the price match, and I don't know if Coach purposely priced that slim crossbody at $45 just to give a discount to a few people, or if it was a mistake or a glitch. But in any case, that was not a good look. The other thing, and the last beef that I have with this drop, is the pieces that they did release. Again, what nobody asking for them. Like, I'm not really big on florals, so I just don't understand why they did that floral print in the Rowan and the city tote. It didn't give us a signature canvas piece like that. Like, I don't know. I think those florals are gonna be there. They'll probably be on clearance within another week or so, because I just don't see people flocking to that like they would have had they done what they typically do when they introduce cool colors. But anyway, that's just my little rant on that. Mom Ambition does a really good job of breaking down some of Coach's failures with this drop, and you guys should really go check out her channel and watch her video if you haven't already, because she goes into way more detail than I'm willing to do at this point. We're just gonna get into this unboxing and try to stay positive. So I'm gonna start with the lightest box, and that's this one. And I didn't bring any scissors here, so y'all just bear with me if it takes me a minute to get this open. That's interesting. So the lightest box is actually the opposite of what I thought. This piece is not something that I was even checking for. Like, when I was notified that they were coming out with this purple, I wasn't even checking for this bag because number one, it's not purple. But the more I looked at it, the more I decided I probably needed to go ahead and grab it, because I don't have any of these in my collection. Like, this is really good resort vacation wear, and that is the city tote in the straw. Now, they had this in like a teal color and this regular tan or brown, and I just wanted to keep it basic, so I went with this one. But guys, this is super nice. It actually looks better in person than it did online. So you can see it has Coach here in leather. The handles are leather. So let me go ahead and get this wrapping off. I should have put my phone on Do Not Disturb before I started filming, because my sister just called me and it cut the video off and I had to restart it. That's going to be a headache when it gets time for me to edit this video, because I'm going to have 2 separate videos that I need to combine. So anyway, here we go. So this is what it looks like without the wrapping. So it has like a couple of different colors. So that top part looks like a straight tan. Then you got like darker brown, but then in between there, that's almost like a coral. I don't know what you would call that color, but it's giving coral to me, or light coral. And then it goes back to the dark brown, light coral, dark brown, and then the tan. The bottom is just the tan color. The hang tag is the same color as the shoulder straps. Before we move on, I wanted to remind you guys that my free ebook is now available. It's called 5 Tips of Purchasing Pre-Loved Luxury Online. It's a quick, simple read designed to help you shop with confidence, save money, and avoid getting scammed. It is pinned in the comments. It's also in my description, and it's in my bio. So go ahead and download it if you don't have it already. And the inside of this bag is like a brown fabric lining, and other than that, it's just like the original City tote. You got your zipper compartment on the back, and you have 2 slip pockets on the front. So there are quite a few luxury brands that have released their versions of like a straw bag, a tote, or whatever, and those pieces are way more expensive than what Coach is asking for this one. So I thought this was a really good deal, and the price is what made me go ahead and get something that would be nice for summertime or vacation. So this is the first piece that I got. I don't know why they got this in this big ass box, y'all. This is just crazy. When y'all see what this is, y'all are gonna trip out. Like, look at this box. Let's just get a good look at it one more time. So let me open it up. And I don't know why it's so heavy, because what I ordered this second piece should not weigh this much. Like, I thought this one was a City tote, which the City tote is super light, actually. I don't know what they put in here besides my other piece, because this is not, there's no way this box should be this heavy or this big. And now I know why, because they sent me the wrong item. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and show y'all what it is, but this isn't what I ordered. And it is super, super heavy. I'm trying to figure out how they got this. This is really confusing, guys, but we're gonna go ahead and open this up. I don't know why they sent me this. I did not order this. I swear I did not order this. No wonder it's so freaking heavy. So guys, look at this. This is that backpack. I don't even want to unwrap all of this, because this is going back. I didn't order this. I don't know how this got mixed up, but this is what was in that second box, guys. I don't even know what this is called. Y'all know I'm not really a backpack person like that. What is this? This is the Sprint backpack in the signature patchwork. So, I mean, I can't front like it's not cute, but I didn't order this. I would never have ordered this. And I really don't want it, to be honest. The little backpack I got from Amazon is fine. And then I also have the Coach backpack with the floral print. Like, I don't need another backpack. I don't even do backpacks like that. But just get a look at this. So you see you've got the little patch right here. Then on the top part, so this is mixed materials. So you've got leather. And you've got the coated canvas. And then you also have the patchwork here. And on top, there's like a huge pocket here on the back where you can fit a phone, wallet, or a whole lot of stuff in there. It's a nice backpack. I can't front like it's not nice, and very good quality. This just ain't what I asked for. I didn't order this. It has got my name and address on it. I don't know how Coach messed that up. We get on the inside. I'm gonna take all of this stuff out just for y'all. Just since we filming, may as well see what this looks like on the inside, even though I don't want it. If they was gonna mistakenly send me something that I didn't pay for, I wish it would have been a handbag. Like, really, coach? Okay. So this inside, and I don't know how well y'all gonna be able to see this, but it's just black on the inside besides the story patch. You got the zipper pocket here, but then there's like a huge pocket behind that goes all the way down to the bottom. So it goes down the whole length of the bag, and then on the other wall, you see you got those two pockets right there. Let me go ahead and take this stuff off so I can show y'all. So this bag has gunmetal hardware. And then this pocket on the front doesn't have anything in it either. It's just like one pocket with no other compartments in it. Then you got pockets on the side right here. And then another pocket on this side. And then there's no feet on the bottom. So I'm disappointed because this is not what I ordered, and it's gonna be a headache trying to send this back. So what I need to do now is check on the order status of the last piece that I actually did order, because I'm still waiting on it. But I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all what it was. It was a slim crossbody. I was able to get it for $45. So I don't know if they're gonna send it to me, what happened, but I mean, this is worth way more than $45. It's worth way more than the original price of the slim crossbody. So I don't feel like I've been cheated, except for the fact I don't want this bag. So hopefully the one that I ordered will come. But that's all that I have for you today, guys. Comment down below and let me know, has this ever happened to you with Coach? This is the first for me. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, if you're going to get it anyway, you may as well save a few coins. Talk to you later. Bye.